How to share someone's story on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share someone's stories on Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, you will see the stories on the top. So head over to the story that you want to share. And after you find the story that you want to share, you will see on the bottom left corner the share option. Tap on it. And now what you'll need to do to share it is simply tap on the share option here. And after you tap on it, you will see the share option. Now you can edit this and share it on your Facebook by tapping on the bottom right corner. Now this is how you can share someone's story on your story. Now if you want to send it through a messenger, you can share it through your messenger. All you need to do is tap on that share icon again and you will see send in messenger option. Tap on the person that you want to send it to and you can even write a message and then tap on send. So those two are the ways you can share someone's story on Facebook. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.